Hi guys, I'm out here on Couchiching today in the rain and the wind because I want to build up some confidence. I get really nervous when I'm by myself and it gets windy and rainy, so it's just a bit of rain, small waves, so I'm going to try and build up some confidence. I have my dog in the boat because he'll be with me when I'm solo canoeing. So it's a good way for us both to get used to, you know, the not perfect conditions, because that's what we've generally been paddling in. Yeah, I just really want to practice going solo in this stuff. I had a bad experience on Canoe Lake where I took my Prospector 15, I want to say, Swift boat out onto Canoe Lake, and I couldn't get back, and I had to be towed back by these two lovely gentlemen, but if they hadn't have been there I would have had to wait till dusk, and I was not prepared to do so. So this is gonna help me build up my confidence. As you see, I'm in just like a little sheltered area. There's an island right behind me. Yeah. So we'll take you on this rainy paddling journey there, and then I paddled in between those two islands, and then I arrived at that island, which looks like it'd have a nice spot for camping. I don't know if it is owned. That's something I'll have to look into. But Lake Couchiching is super shallow, so I think that will help me build my confidence. There's shoals and rocks everywhere, which is why they had to dredge part of it out for the motorboats. We've got this happy canoe dog. I forgot to bring the pad that he'll lay on, but I brought a bunch of towels so he can lay on those. To give you a little bit of an update where the video last ended, where we were coming around the bend. We are there, just in this little sheltered area. The wind has picked up quite a bit. So we went down and around through here, and it was like super like flat mirror. And then the wind has picked up a bit, paddling on our way back. So now, out there, where we're headed, Snoopy, no, hey, get in the boat. He almost jumped out. We're working on getting everything done perfectly, but he still gets excited to get in and out of the boat, as you saw there. Lay down, Snoopy, lay down. Sit's good enough. So it looks like it's getting pretty wavy out there, so now we get to test it out and see how it goes.